Yeah, I got the JB weld up here on this plastic, as you can see. And we should put this down a bit. There we go. I'm kind of far away from all this. Here we go. That's much better. Whoops! Plane wing's going off on its own thing. Mix this up. 50-50 JB weld, which has a long drying time, but it's great for filing afterwards. Let's put some in there, like that. Make sure it sticks. So on the plane itself, both sides, there's the fan stopped again. There we go, isn't that lovely? And I don't, can you see it? Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna push that over there. Ooh, that's nice. A little bit of molding, right? And we'll file that afterwards anyways. Not totally crazy that open there. I don't know whether I should try to go down more or just fill it, maybe just fill it. Some people are partying in the backyard here on a lockdown. French style. So I just touch this all up now. See, I leave a little bit of overhang here for, oh, it's so bright in my eyes, that light at the moment. There we go. So I've left it off filler more than normal. Most I have to fill it a second time, which is okay. That usually happens all the time. Fill in that crack there, I think. Make it look a little bit more. This little dental tool thing I got. I think it's supposed to be dental tool, I don't know. Anyways, I think we're going to have to shape this twice. I'm going to have to clamp this in here a bit because it is hanging out. And I don't like that. So we're going to definitely have to clamp that in there. Got to make sure that clamps in nicely. There we go. Clamp on like a doctor. Gonna fill a little bit more. I think I'll overfill a little bit. I think I'm going to have to do this the second time anyways, right there where the clamp is. Now as far as I'm concerned, oops, whoa. I think that's good enough for time being. I don't see any holes there at the moment. Make sure there's no holes on the other side. Or gaps, which I don't like seeing. I'm going to leave that dry. And we'll file it out. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I got some gook left, so I might as well put it in here on the top of this. You're going to throw it away anyways, you might as well fill it in there. Yep, I might as well put a little bit more in there and chomp it out afterwards. There. That's pretty good. So it's a little messy looking. When we get a file to that, it's going to look lovely. I'm going to put a little on my tip of my plane here just in case that wing's got a crack showing. I don't think it does. It won't have now. Got a little indentation here. I think I'll just cover that because I got the stuff to do it. Smooth it off a little. That looks better. Yeah. Normally don't do that, but I feel like doing it this time. Yeah, this putty's beginning to get hard now, so I have to hurry up and finish this. I'm actually going to putty the whole of that part. Might give it a really nice effect. Seeing it's tin anyway, it's like doing a car. Yeah, I think we got it. Anything missing now you can catch. Round 2. Little slot up there, which I don't like. Didn't want to fill. Let's leave that and let it file, huh? There we go. I'm going to show it to you. So I filled that side. I filled the whole plane. But it's going to turn out really nice. You wait and see. Right? And there she goes. So, out of a very fine piece of wire here, I've had laying around for quite a long time. Don't use it that often. I'm going to make the little spoilers on the actual plane, like the joints. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2. Oops, I got to do 2 little ones for the top yet. And then I'm going to epoxy them on, see if we can make the detail that was on the plane before, bring it back to life. We'll see how it goes. It might not work, you know. Not every idea works. Looks good though. We'll do one and I'll show it to you, and then I'll do the rest on my own, I suppose. Oh, it bent there, look at that. Not good. It's not working out the way I wanted it to so far. Well, that pins, all the pins that are lying here, basically fell off once I started using the diamond Dremel to clean it out. So it was a total failure. They just kind of all fell out, so I've cleaned it off and I'll try some other method, I suppose. Otherwise I have to just leave it without them, but we'll try something else first. Yeah, I'm just trying super glue, and I'm trying to put these in and see if they'll hold this with this super glue. When I clean them off, they look pretty good at the moment, but who knows. It's worth the try. Yeah, so I redid the plane again. Now I got the wires on with super glue, so they look a little bit better, as you can see. And also I had to repaint it again. The paint didn't exactly do it justice, so there she is, all done. I'm fairly happy with it. Like 80% maybe. Take this out of the way. Yeah, so I'm about 80% happy with that. But you know, it did make the spoilers look a bit better. If you look at it from above, it looks pretty authentic. There we go. The famous, what is it again? Vautour, Dinky Toy Vautour 6dB, French. Voila.